Hello? Hello, Planet Earth?
Planet Earth speaking.
Can I speak with my mother?
Your mother? Who is calling?
Zuly.
Zuly? There is no Zuly here. You must be making a mistake.
Come on, mommy, I'm coming.
How's that you're coming? I am not sure. I can find you shoes that can fit your feet.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Zuly, j'ai 12 ans, j'ai bientôt 13 ans, j'habite à Paris, je suis danseuse et je suis trisomique. Moi, j'ai fait escalade.
So I've done climbing, I've done dance, I've done tap dancing.
Well done. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much, Roxane and Zuly.
It was a very inspiring message from you all, so thank you all, and Zuly's led the way, so please feel free.
She did her show with her cast on, which is what we decided to do regardless, although it's been a bit annoying. And it's also a message to say the fact that it's complicated doesn't mean it is impossible.